महाराष्ट्रान एसटी बशीचो बंद आंदोलन आयोजित केल्या. फाटभुंयेर कदंब येरादारी महामंडळान मंगळारा महाराष्ट्रान वेगवेगळ्या सुवातेचेर वचपी 37 बसी रद्द केल्यात. महाराष्ट्रातलो बंद आक्रमण रूप घेतलो जाल्यार गोयच्या कदंबा बशीक लुकसाण जावचें न्हय म्हण गोंय सरकारान हे पावल घेतला. आर्डीक स्कुआ खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
From our counterparts, we got this no clearance from them because they are not giving any protection because presently it is not conducive to start operations. So what we have done, buses which were there at Maharashtra night halts, we have left those buses early in the mornings which have already reached Pune and Sholapur. Other buses from here we have just operated till the border.
Okay, sir.
For the convenience of Goa commuters.
सर कितले दीस अशें आसतले ते
खबर ना because every evening na today evening also we will take information from them. So if it is conducive we must start operation tomorrow itself.
सर आता कितले बसी भायर आहा महाराष्ट्रांत?
महाराष्ट्रात आता 3 हा बस भायर.
3 आहा.
3 हा. पुणा सोलापूर ते येयली बसीस न्ही. सोलापूरची पावली, पुणेची पावली बस. But day operations we have followed up. Early in the mornings that have started. Passengers.
With passengers.
Yeah. They have reached Solapur, Pune. They reach early in the morning, 6 o'clock, 6:30.